Kelly from Just a Taste, and the #1 most popular dessert recipe of all time on Just a Taste is, drumroll please, 5-minute healthy strawberry frozen yogurt. What I love about this recipe is not only does it take 5 minutes to make, but you only need 4 ingredients, and 4 really simple ingredients. And it's great because this actually serves as just a template. So today we're using frozen strawberries and plain yogurt, but you could swap in any type of frozen fruit and any flavor of yogurt and still get the same creamy frozen yogurt result. So we're gonna start by adding all of our ingredients to the bowl of a food processor. We've got our frozen strawberries, and a few other flavor combos I love is using frozen pineapple, frozen mango, peach, banana, any sort of frozen fruit. And then today I'm pairing that with our plain yogurt. You could also use Greek yogurt for a little bit more protein, vanilla flavored yogurt, peach yogurt, strawberry yogurt. You get the point. Looking good. And then a little bit of tanginess, so I'm gonna add some fresh lemon juice. Squeeze this right over the bowl here. And then to balance out that acidity, some honey. And you could also use agave nectar, even a little maple syrup. And depending on how sweet you like your frozen yogurt, add as much or as little as you like. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the lid and we're gonna process the frozen yogurt for 5 minutes. And here's the key, don't stop the motor from running before 5 minutes or it won't be super creamy. This looks absolutely perfect, so I let the food processor run for the full 5 minutes. Oh my God, you gotta take a look at this. It literally only took 5 minutes. It's super creamy. Look at this consistency. Exactly like store-bought frozen yogurt. 5 minutes, 4 ingredients, and the best part is you got a whole bowl of this healthy stuff to yourself.